Yo, what's up again? Welcome back to another video. We're picking back up on the Civic and bringing in more goodies for it. In particular, as you can see on the screen, I will be putting in a fresh set of drilled and slotted rotors, a freshly painted set of front calipers, and fresh brake pads. So first of all, I really like the way the calipers came out, as I've been planning for a while to paint them yellow to match my valve cover. These calipers are off a Civic Si and did not come factory with my car. I swapped my spindles a while back and grabbed them off of a 98 Civic EX that was able to fit these bigger calipers. Second of all, the brake pads I will be using are AutoZone's high-end elite brake pads. The reason I am using these brake pads over high-end ones such as Hawk pads are mainly because they are low dust and quiet stopping. They hold up pretty good from past experiences and can handle high temps. Another reason is AutoZone offers lifetime warranty on these pads, which is very budget friendly. Alright, that is enough talking from me. I hope you enjoyed this video and see me refresh most of my front braking components. And as well as in the next coming videos, I will continue on to add more goodies that I can't wait to show for my car so that we can get this thing back on the road and get going. Alright, enjoy this one.